All right, the first piece of equipment we're going to go over is the hose cutter itself. It's a brand new one. We had a smaller one before that was only about 6 inches tall, but this is a full size, so we could cut a lot thicker hose with it. But we're just going to cut a piece 1 3/4. Obviously, you can see it's damaged, so we're going to go through the cutting process. So it just goes down over top, get it in, and you can see just where the line is, where this cutter head here will come down on top of it. Then it's got a clamp that'll clamp down and secure it in place. Once it's in place, the ratchet strap on the other side, you can just turn it down. You'll feel it when it makes connection. It goes all the way down and stops, and you just need to release it. And again, you'll feel the tension release off of it. Open it back up, and you can see it's cut the hose and you're ready to start the repair process.